Hello, it's Sue. On this episode of the Buzz Club, we're going to take a look at another spring ephemeral called Trout Lily. Can you see this cluster of leaves on the ground? When we look closer, you'll see that there's a single leaf coming up in each location. And the leaf is very mottled. That means spotted. It gets its name Trout Lily because it resembles the spots on a trout. The spring ephemerals all share in common very thick, succulent leaves, and they have to rely on their photosynthesis for a little bit of time to send energy to the bulb in the plant. Trout lilies take 5 to 8 years to mature and produce the first flower. So this little cluster is probably well on its way there, but not there yet. Let's take a look at what the flower looks like now. Here we see trout lily with more than one leaf. It has 2 leaves surrounding the flower, which is yellow, as you can see. But if we break it down, all lilies have parts in threes. 3 petals and 3 sepals in this case. Here's a group that's a little bit older where the anthers have turned dark brown and shriveled. Before we saw it was yellow and it was still available. Now the anthers have shriveled up because they've released their pollen. And in the middle of the flower you can see the greenish yellow stigma, or the female receptive part of the flower. This plant has another name called adder's tongue, where the stigma separates into 2 lobes and looks like the forked tongue of a snake.